Drew and Linda, holiday home tour.
Who goes there?
Happy
Welcome
holidays.
to our Christmas decor. Okay, that wasn't me. If you guys didn't realize, that was the Nutcracker. We call him Jonathan. We changed things up a little bit this year. We have some fun outside once the lights go down. You can see the new projected visuals we have outside.
We're still working on
This
things.
is a work in
What
progress.
day is it? Is it Christmas already?
Christmas Eve?
Yeah. You know what? This year we're going to leave all the decorations up so we don't have to do it again.
This is sort of like a deconstructed Christmas. That's the design this year.
I don't even remember what we did last year, to be honest.
I took the stand and I was rotating the tree and it just collapsed. I don't fully remember either.
It's all such a blur.
Couple of things are the same, some things are different. I say you come inside, take off your shoes, and let's have a look. Ow, hit my butt on the handle. Welcome to our home. It is a work in progress. I was trying to think of how are we describing the theme for Christmas this year. Jonathan and Zoe have this massively curated thing here. We're literally taking arts and crafts scraps and turning it into what we can. So Linda cut all these ribbons, made the bows. Originally, Linda didn't even want to do a traditional Christmas tree this year, and I was like, no, I need that. That's just nostalgic for me, and I need that. But she was going to do some sort of an interpretive tree.
I compromised.
What was
Yeah,
it?
we were just going to stand here and do a tree pose.
So with the lights on the tree, we typically go for traditional colors, a multicolor, more of a muted tone, or the pastel colors. And a lot of the ornaments throughout have been handmade. They're all just handcrafted with our cousins. The kids' cousins come over and they all get crafting.
Oh yeah, salt dough ornaments have survived, I'm surprised. But if
Yeah.
anyone knows how to properly seal them.
By the by, who likes the original stop motion Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer? Linda made this. This is the Abominable Snowman.
Or as Parker calls it, abominable.
Snowman.
Yeah.
But Linda did felting. And
Yes.
I've talked about felting many times before. Linda's a pro
You
felter.
talked about, when does
Yes.
he talk about felting?
Because it's
You don't talk about feelings, but you'll talk about felting?
it's the angriest crafting you'll ever do. You get a gigantic needle and you just go, you take all your frustration out. But it looks so real. It looks like the real
It
Abominable
is,
Snowman.
they are real.
This is a little Advent calendar Christmas scene right here. So Piper and Parker love, we bring this down and they like to take these out and we'll hide little things inside each of these. Over the holidays, we'll have, all 10 grandkids are together and we have like 20 of us here. So only half of us get stockings. That's an important thing to
Yes,
realize.
it's like Survivor. Only
Yeah.
the favorites get stockings.
Oh, this is another thing too, is we've decided for the Christmas, we're not dressing up in fancy suits and outfits. We're wearing joggies and we're gonna be comfortable.
Yes, for the Christmas.
That's how Christmas should be. And then there's this beauty. We save all old holiday cards and we actually just cut them up into strips. And then with the kids, we actually tape them together and create long ring garland that we just kind of put throughout the house. We love crafting in this house. We find something that we can create by turning it into an activity with the kids. If anyone has ideas for different types of holiday crafting we can do with the kids, please share, because we do one pretty much every day. I love this train feature here. The train was the big thing we did last year. We put it up every year that I just really love. So I take Parker to a train shop and we shop for the cars. We bought 2 new cars this season. To me, everyone who walks in here, whether you're 3 years old or you're 80 years old, stops and gives a big wow when they see the train running around the ceiling. All right, let's just
That
sit
smells
here
so good.
and watch the train. Oh, there we
There
go,
you
the
go.
lights are dimming. We're just gonna have a little nap. Okay, see you later.
Okay, I'm up.
Okay, so.
Can you talk about the pom-poms? You started to plug them. What's going on with those?
Oh, hi guys.
Who's in there? Oh, your duck?
We actually have 2 little
Here.
elves in this house too that have been helping, Parker and Piper. Fly around the Christmas design. All right, this is our adventure time. This is Parker flying around like Santa's sleigh and getting the top of the tree, come up by the train. Wow, you're getting heavy. We add little things, we remove different things. Over the years, we've been here now, 2018 we moved in. So wow, time is flying. This is 7, 8 years. The original family that owned this house and built this house was the Van de Kamp Bakery family. And so Linda does a tribute to them with the signs we put out front every Christmas where it's all the different baked goods from back in the 20s and 30s. Linda doesn't like your typical store-bought decorations or decor. She likes to create something handcrafted. So she found these beautiful boxes, she cut all the ribbons and bows, and she created this theme as an adventure calendar. Or how do you say, adventure calendar. I love that Linda just completely curates this out of what we can find around the house. Even over here, like the tiered dessert tray.
I hoard ribbons and...
It's ribbon and felt balls. These trees, we have 3 of these in the house. It's actually a local artist that just made these, a local crafter. She's a teacher at USC and did this as a little hobby on the side for the holidays. And she handcrafted all of the ornaments as well, which I thought was awesome. So every day, Parker has a box that he can open. He opens it with his sister.
We haven't opened up today's yet.
Oh, do you want to open up today's? Do you want to open it up? Yeah. Which one?
Okay, it's the 16th.
I see a 15.
We need
A 17.
We need a 16 over here. 16. Do you need help?
Listen, climb aboard.
Okay, ready?
Climb aboard.
Can you grab? Oh no! Oh, grab it.
You got it? I feel like could be more help.
There you go.
Grab a seat. What do we got?
Look.
Okay, open it up. He's had a ton of fun adventures from the adventure calendar.
Cool.
Whoa, are those 3D glasses? Let's go close to the tree and look in the tree.
Okay.
We'll turn off the rest of the lights and see if we can see elves.
Oh, I see it. I see it. This is so cool.
Wait, what?
Do you? s-
Oh, I do see it. How is it every little light's turned into an elf?
Neat.
That's almost like magic to me. I don't understand.
Whoa.
You see this?
Oh, this is so cool. Wait, I wonder if you did this. Could you see it? Don't trip at the points of light.
The bulb turns into little, can you zoom way in?
Ho, ho, ho!
Outside, we mix it up. We have some candy cane red and whites. We have some sparkling multicolor. We have more pastel colors throughout in the trees. But as you look around, you can see it is a very eclectic blend of lights out here. We just want it to be fun and vibrant and full. So as people drive by, they see it. Last year's video, if you check that out, we had a projection of Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. So you saw Santa, the Abominable Snowman. It was a lot of fun. This is our Christmas. In 2 days, all the family come in from Canada. We have 10 grandkids together. Our family, my mom and dad are in town. They come over, we hang with Jonathan, Zoe, and the kids. It's very festive, it's very fun, and there's great karaoke. Happy holidays.
This should be the end of the video right here because I don't know if I
Yeah.
can get back up.